Good morning students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss on project on atomic model. This already about this we have discussed, but again we are having some problem on this. So today again I will be sharing the process how we will be making the model. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the project on atomic model. I told you all to make one project on either on water, that is H2O, on water molecule, and another was carbon dioxide molecule. So to make the model we have to use, you can use this plastic balls. Okay, this plastic balls you can use. Acha, before that let me show you the model of water first. See, this is the water molecule. At the center, this red color ball, this is oxygen, and these two are this light blue color balls, these are two hydrogens. Okay, so if we draw the structure of water, first I am going to discuss water. See, at the middle the central atom is oxygen, and this oxygen is having two bonds, and with this bond one hydrogen atom is attached this side, and here one more hydrogen is attached. Okay, so two bonds are there. This is one hydrogen, this is another hydrogen. That means two hydrogen atoms are there in one water molecule. In one single water molecule we are having one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. This one is oxygen atom and these two are hydrogen atoms, this one and this one. Okay, as I told you all that for every particular atom we need to use different colors. Okay, a particular color we have to use. So for oxygen we are going to use red. Here you can see in this structure, in this model, we have used red ball for oxygen. So red color we are going to use for oxygen, and for hydrogens we are going to use light blue color. Okay, for hydrogen we are going to use blue color, or you can use white also, but preferably you have to use blue. Okay, so white or blue we can use for hydrogen. Now you have seen, you can see this molecules, these atoms are bonded together by this this is a kind of stick. Okay, this we are calling as chemical bonds. Now here one hole is there in this, in both the atoms one hole is there, and in this we will be placing the bond. Okay, so when we are going to make the model in this manner only you have to make, and for that we are going to use this plastic balls. Okay, the size may differ, but this kind of plastic balls you can use, or as I told you before, you can use the paper balls also. You have to make the paper balls with newspaper. You can make the ball. You have to crush the newspaper, and you can dip it in water, so that we will be getting a smooth texture, and then you have to wrap it with this particular color paper, this particular color paper, or you can you can color it. Okay, through with that particular color. So for that, for making the model of water, we need one red ball for oxygen atom, and we need two blue balls for hydrogen atoms, and we need two sticks for these two chemical bonds. Now for making the sticks, how we will be making the sticks? We can use these straws. Okay, these are easily available, so you can use this straw, or you can use this, see, this use and throw pens. These are you can use it very nicely for making the bonds. Okay, but you have to wrap it with paper, and you have to color it. So for bonds you can use either white color or black color also you can use. So either white or black for bonds, or you can use this wooden sticks also, but here again you have to wrap it with newspaper. Okay, so for bond, how we can make the bond? Either we can use this wooden sticks, which you have to wrap it with newspaper or any paper, and then you have to color it either white color or black color, or you can use this use and throw pens. Okay. If you are using this plastic balls, then you have to make hole in this plastic balls. Otherwise, this uh, stick or this bond cannot get fix into this. Okay, so you have to make the hole. So for that, in this plastic ball, making the hole is bit difficult. So you have to use any metal substance, metal stick and all, and you have to heat it, and then you can press it in this. And for that you take help of the elders at your home. Okay, so don't try to do that of your own. It's a bit risky, as you are using the fire and all, so you just take help of the guardians. So in this manner you have to make the hole in the plastic ball, and you will be placing the bonds. And then after making the model, you have to, suppose this is our hydrogen, okay, or this is our oxygen, suppose. Now in this you have to write, suppose as this is the oxygen, so you have to, maybe it's not, in this, here I am telling, see, if this is the oxygen, then here you have to write O. With black color or with any color, you have to write O. This is the symbol for oxygen. So the symbol of that particular element you have to write on that particular on the particular atom, so that easily it can be understood that what is that. Okay, the same thing we are going to do for hydrogens also. Okay, in the blue color balls, you have to write the symbol of hydrogen. Okay, so in blue you cannot write with black and all, or if it is light blue, if light blue color you are using, then whatever color you are using, that should be proper, that should be prominent. Okay, easily can be seen. Okay, so any color you can use for writing the symbols. Now after this model gets ready, you have to place it on this kind of cardboard. Okay, this I have taken a cardboard from the cakes. These cakes are come to our home in this kind of cardboard. These are easily available. Okay, so on this you have to paste a paper, you have to stick a paper on this white paper, and then you have to fix your model on this. Okay, and after doing all these things, you have to write your name, class, and section you have to write. Okay, this one thing. And another thing, on the top of this, suppose this is the cardboard. If we see, this is the cardboard where you are placing your model, then at this top you have to write the name of the model, that is water. If you are writing if you are taking the model of water, then you have to write water here, and here you have to write in bracket, you have to write down the formula of water. Okay, then your model will be, you have to place here, suppose this is your model. Okay, you will be sticking this with the glue and properly have to fix it, and here at down here you can write your name and etc. These details you have to write. So this, in this manner you have to make your model. If we take carbon dioxide, this is for water. If you take carbon dioxide, then in the same manner you have to do, just the atoms will be changed. So if we do this for carbon dioxide, so how you are going to do, the process is same. carbon dioxide, this is the formula of this is CO2, we know. So for this, what will be the structure? Carbon dioxide structure is this. Okay, so already I have made a model for this. See, the center, this black part, atom or black ball, this is carbon. Okay, so black color we are using for carbon, and for oxygen as usual we are using the red color. Okay, so here with each carbon, in between each carbon and oxygen, we are having two bonds. Okay, so as oxygen is diatomic, so there will be two bond with oxygen. So this side also two bonds we are having. So for this, for making the model of carbon dioxide, we need three balls, three plastic ball or paper ball. So this is carbon. So for this we are using black color. This is carbon. For this we are using black color. This is oxygen. For this we are going to use red. This is also oxygen. For this also we are going to use red. Ready. So we need two red balls and one black ball for making the model of carbon dioxide. And here you can see four bonds are there, four chemical bonds are there. So for this we need four sticks. Okay, so the stick you can make with any these three methods I have told. So any of this with any of these three you can make the sticks. Okay, make the chemical bonds. In the same manner we have to place it on this, on the cardboard. We have to write down the name of the model. Here if you are writing, if we are doing carbon dioxide, then carbon dioxide will be written here, and it's in bracket, as we have done for water, in bracket the